Hello my alien students, welcome back. Hope everyone is doing good. Actually I got one request from one of my students, I would say. Okay, he said, John, would you please help me with the firefighting design? Okay, how can we do firefighting design course? Can you please do a drawing or something like this? Okay, انت من مصر يا عم، انا من مصر يا عم، اهم حاجة خلاص, don't worry. Okay. I know some anyway. Okay, so we're going to do this course again from scratch, the whole course, and coming up. So let's say this is the trailer for a movie. Okay, so don't worry, in the coming classes we're going to do the full firefighting layout, everything. Okay, so sit back, enjoy the class, and let's keep moving forward. Okay, I have one more request. Okay, if you would like me to do this project in this project, or in this 2-story building, or in a hospital which is much larger. Okay, I have done this project. Okay, anyway, so you'll just tell me انت من مصر أنا من مصر يا عم. Okay, and okay, and I think that's the story, isn't it? Anyway, so let me know, you want me to do this project and this project. I think that this looks better. Okay, let's do it in this. Okay, this is, you'll learn lots in this project. Okay, anyway, yeah, that's the story. This is the ceiling, isn't it? Okay, so take care, and we'll learn how to do sizing, etc, etc, everything. See, these pipes are sized. If you notice, the pipes are sized. Anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this beautiful trailer of a movie. Okay, we're going to see each other in the next class. From a blank screen we're going to start this project. Okay, I look forward to see everyone in the next class. Take care, and I think that's it for today. Bye.